that selective peoples, like we will be taking to the Hacktoberfest. Okay, so as a community partners to the like our curious developers community is the official partner for Hacktoberfest. Anyone of you heard about Hacktoberfest? What is that? What will be happening there? Anyone have any experience in that? Have you done contributions in Hacktoberfest? So anyone? So okay, it's for, I think it's new for everyone then. Okay, so selective teams, like we will be taking them to the Hacktoberfest. Okay, basically Hacktoberfest is a like a global level hackathon. Okay, so conducting by many with the collaboration of many organizations, like a Digital Ocean, and also there is a name champ, and some other organizations, they will collaborate, they will join as a collaboration. Okay, and they will conduct this hackathon. Okay, so like winners and like active pull request people will be having lots of recognitions, and also they will be awarded with some prizes, and more than all these things, like you will get a huge connection. Okay, along with huge connection, like you will be having an experience to work on live projects. Okay, so which will be solving some business problems. Okay, so this will happen in every year, on the month of October. Okay, so for this year, along with the curious developers community, we are taking KIT students also to this program. Okay, so we are taking people who the best teams. Okay, so we will select almost 10 teams, 10 to 15 teams. Okay, so based on that, based on the activeness of people, based on the involvement of the people, like we will take them to the Hacktoberfest. Okay, and followed by in the month of November, like we will be hosting a 24 hours hackathon. Okay, so by taking the inspiration from Hacktoberfest. Okay, so this is just a brief about what are the things we are doing in each specific milestone. Okay, so like the hackathon, whatever the hackathon like we are conducting, like we have divided into the four major steps. Okay, so the first step is the discovery phase. Okay, so in the discovery phase, okay, so we will be having a set of problem statements, and also like we will tell you guys to find some problems around you. Okay, and make a list of it. Okay, so this is called a discovery phase, and after discovery phase it will be an ideation like a phase. Okay, so whatever the problem statements, like you tried to find around you. Okay, along with the whatever the problem statements like we have collected. Okay, so those problem statements, we will inform you guys to bring some ideation. Okay, so ideation is nothing but just a collection of ideas. Okay, so or the approaches, like where you can collaborate those ideas and bring one proper solution to the problem which you are trying to means rectify. Okay, so then is next part is the POC creation. Okay, so POC creation and execution will be happening on the same day. Okay, so before POC creation, what is that POC creation means? Like it's a prototype creation. Okay, like for example, you have identified on a problem statement. Okay, so that is actually solving the problem of using mics. Okay, using mics in the big auditoriums. Okay, so using technology, using transmitters, and using inbuilt microphones, you have and means like you have find out on problem statement, and you are trying to follow, you are trying to resolve that problem through technology. Okay, So for that, like we need a prototype. Okay, we need a working prototype. So POC creation is that step. Okay, so where you will create a prototype. Okay, using that prototype, like you will demonstrate how your idea, okay, along with the prototype is solving the problem, okay, which you are trying to rectify. Okay, so this will happen on the month of September. Okay, so like you will be in backend, you will be making the things ready. Okay, so POC, like for the POC, what are the things required? Okay, so what problem you are trying to resolve? Okay, so for each problem, what technology stack you are adopting? So all those things, like you will be articulating, and to that articulate, you will do the execution. Okay, execution means like whatever you have done R&D and whatever the prototype you have created, so you will execute those things and give a fine tune in the hackathon. Okay, in the hackathon means in the auditorium. Okay, so these are the four steps, like we are following in order to make this hackathon successful. So anyone have any doubt in these phases? Yes, Tanush.
Sir, actually, like an software hackathon or like an hardware, it's compulsory to create a prototype or what, sir? Like,
Actually, sir, yes, Tanush, there is no specific, there is no specific, kind of that. Okay, so it's an open hackathon. Okay, so whatever the problem statements, like you are trying to solve. Okay, so or you are trying to bring one idea for that problem statements. It's up to you. Whatever the technology stacks you can adopt. Okay, so it is completely on your hands. Okay, so you can use any technology stack.
we can use software also now, sir. Like,
Absolutely, yes,
uh,
absolutely.
sir, one more doubt, sir. Can I ask?
Yes, yes, definitely.
Sir, the hackathon which is going to take place on September, like, it's a
Yeah,
idea problem statement discussion, or it will be a complete hackathon of
it,
24
it
hours.
will be a complete hackathon. So we thought of doing 24 hours hackathon on that day only, but
Yeah,
depending on the people's mindset, like we have divided into two steps. Okay,
yeah.
so in order to take the same inspiration to further also. Okay, so further days also.
Okay, sir. First
So
day, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. No, sir. First day.
yes, first day in on September 21st, it will be from 9 a.m. to 5 a.m. Sorry, 5 p.m.
Okay, sir. The hackathon which is going to take place on November, it will be 24 hours.
Yes,
The
it
short
is
listed.
10 a.m. to 10 a.m.
Okay, sir. Fine, fine, fine. Thank you, sir.
Okay, and there are lots of opportunities. Okay, so recently our organization, we were building one product called Inspiration App. Okay,
Yeah,
so for that Inspiration App, we going forward, our product will be incubated by IIT Delhi. Okay, for some big investments. So to that, people who performs well, they will be having an opportunity to get onboarded in our organization.
yeah,
Also,
sir.
very soon, like we are opening our first office, means first technology company in the same geographical area where college is situating. Okay, it is near to 5 to 10 kilometers. Okay, so we are opening our first software company.
Yeah, sir.
Which will be accommodating 200 plus employees. So for
Sir,
that, who performs well, they will be having an opportunity to get onboarded within us. Okay. So I hope whatever is that. Yeah. So I hope whatever we just discussed about the hackathons and what are the steps involved in the hackathon is clear. Yes, Tanush, do you have any other questions?
So the problem statement will be given on the live now, sir, off the spot. Yeah.
No, no. So like we won't do that, okay? Because live by giving live problem statement live, it won't cost anything, okay? So like we will be sharing the problem statement by first of sorry, 1st of September. Okay, so from September 1st to September 15th, you will be having regular calls. In that call, like we will be guiding you the steps how to do the pair programming and how to do the collaborative programming. Okay, and we will make you guys ready for the hackathon. Okay,
Okay.
so with more hands-on and demonstrations too.
Okay.
Okay,
Fine, sir.
so all these steps, like whatever from discovery to execution, discovery ideation will happen it will be starting from September 1st. Okay, so for September 1st, we will be giving the some problem statement, and we will also tell you guys to find out some problem statement which is lying around you only. Okay, and for that, like these 15 days you will be doing ideation to that also in a team. Okay, and after that, POC creation and execution will be happening like just before the day of hackathon. Okay, so means the September 18th to September 21st, you will be doing POC. Okay, POC means the prototype. Okay, like the presentations and basic report you will be doing. And during that day, like you will give the fine tuning. Okay, in the execution phase. Clear? So just note it down the things, guys. Okay. So these things, like if some person is not attended today's call, just explain them. Okay, and like if you are observing here, like this is the timeline. Okay, actually we plan to do the certain things on July, but it did not went well. Okay, so we are late, but it is not that much late. So in August phase, like we just had a introductory call, and we just explained the things. Okay, and that is what we are doing today. So just make the things ready, guys. Okay, like refresh your concepts and refresh the technology stack what you know. Okay, and September phase 1, in September phase 1, like as I said, from September 1st to September 15th. Okay, so we will be having a regular call. Okay, so technical sessions will be there. Okay, so in that, whatever you have doubts related to related to hackathons or related to means programming, you can ask to us. Okay, so all those things will be rectified in the regular calls. Okay, so also, like we shared one website for you. Okay, I'm again sharing. So I'm sharing in the chat. Okay, in that you can able to see the calendar events. Okay, in the calendar events, like all the events which will be happening in the month. Okay, so you can easily see, and you can just add that to your calendar. Okay, from September 1st to September 15th. Okay, so every day, like we will be having a call at 8 p.m. Okay, so from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. technical call will be there. Okay, so in each day, like we will be covering certain technology stack that directly and indirectly supporting your development, okay, and deployment during hackathon. Okay, so why we are conducting month to month activity means, like hackathon is nothing like you need to participate only for one day, and after that it will be a waste. It should not be like that. So our particular goal is not that one. So we want to make our students, especially our college students, to get skilled and to get and to give the direct competition to the people who are like doing their engineering and who are doing their bachelors in tier cities. Okay, so you are means you are no means like you are no more less than them. Okay, in the talent. So just follow up us regularly and get skilled. Okay, so as the competition is huge, okay, so we are giving you a end to end complete support for you. Okay, so to make yourself strong and to give a tough competition during global level hackathon. Clear? So just add to your calendar from September 1st to September 15th. Okay, in September like 21st, like we will be having an hackathon. Okay, so from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Okay, so in between these, like we are also starting curious means student chapter. Okay, like we are forming a talent team. So talent team formation will be happening by seeing the involvement of people. Okay, so during regular calls. Okay, when the regular call will happen from September 1st to September 15th. Okay, so this is clear. What are the things happening in September? It's clear for everyone. Okay, perfect. So, like in September, somebody raised hand. Okay, fine. Yes, Asha. Hello, Asha. You raised your hand. Any questions? Fine. So, like, yes, Asha. You want to say anything?
No, sir. No, no.
Okay, fine. So in September, after the hackathon, September, like in September end means 27th or 28th. Okay, so the winners who we will be selecting, okay, and the selective teams. Okay, so we will be taking them to the Hacktoberfest. Okay, we complete our community support as our community is a official partner to Hacktoberfest. You will be having the entire support from our community. Okay, along with that, like you will be having a good recognition in the global level hackathon. Okay, in while resolving some problem statements or while doing contributions to the open source project. Okay, so good recognitions will be there, and the best performance people will be having opportunity to visit an event which will be happening in Mumbai or Bangalore. Okay, so entire travel expenses and stay expenses will be taken care by Hacktoberfest only. So just give your best. Okay, so selective teams we can send on behalf of our community to the Hacktober Fest event. Okay, in November, like we will be conducting a global level hackathon in KIT. So it will be an online and offline hackathon. Okay, so people who are able to join us in in our college, they can join us through offline, and people who not able to come because of the distance, like they can join us through online. Okay, so in this particular global level hackathon, as it is a global level hackathon, like there will be a big number of participants. Okay, so who might join you guys and give a tough competition. Okay, so to you, like this might be happening on the month of November. Okay, so make sure guys, like whatever you know, just revise the concepts better, and when you are doing some analysis on the problem statement. Okay, so just analyze your surrounding and form a best problem statement. Okay, which is having some which is able to solve some big problem which is been faced by like lots of people. Okay, So it's open to like all level of technology usage. Okay, right from the hardware and also the software. Okay, so it is not a brand specific. Okay, any person who is doing their bachelor's in any branch, they can directly involve and get certified from us. Okay, so like just enhance your skills, guys. Okay, so for the global level hackathon, and whatever you know the skills and whatever you know the articles and references, just implement that during this time. Okay, our team support will be also there. Okay, so nothing to worry. Okay, all you need to worry how I can able to compete to the best I can. Okay, so worry on that particular phase. Okay, so any doubt or any concerns you want to raise, guys? Do you have any questions? No questions, we can continue. Okay, fine. So next is, yeah, next is curious scripts. Okay, so curious scripts, like we have divided into four steps. Okay, so each step like having its own importance. Okay, so as we said, from September 1st to September 15th, like we will be also forming a student chapter. Okay, so from the student chapter, like we will be building a talent team. Okay, so from the talent team, like I think you might know, right? Google Developer Student Club, right? So similarly to that, like we will be forming Curious Developer Student Club. Okay, so that club, through that club, like we will be also like we will be hosting some online hackathons and public speaking and some events. Okay, like which will help you to keep on like have a track which will be happening through online or the offline sessions. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay, regarding the events and recognitions. Okay, so the best performance people, like who involve themselves in this particular like events, they will be we will be selecting them. Okay, so for further like opportunities like internships and also referrals to the organizations. Okay, so these things will be happening through curious scripts. Okay, and yeah, community leads, as I said, in CDSC, like we will be having five different steps. Okay, so in order to make that program successful, like we are first creating, we will be creating the chapter. Okay, and talent team we will be forming. Okay, in the talent team, like we will be conducting the multiple events. Okay, technological events, and also like we will select few people who are involving themselves in this program. Okay, and pricing and talent hub, like pricing, like we will be also having like we will be distributing some goodies, certificates, and recognition related things. Okay, also like you will be having opportunity to visit MNCs like LinkedIn and other organizations. Like you can do a industry visit. Okay, on behalf of our name. Okay, so you will also get involved with people who are working in a good organization. Okay, and also like you will be having very good experience for visiting industries and get more involved towards the technology related things. Okay, and experience delivery, like whatever like like we will be doing. So people who recognize themselves as an active participant, they can deliver their experience. Okay, so to upcoming juniors, or like to your upcoming batches. Okay, so it will help them to find out the particular things which is required for the industry. Clear? In this, do you have any doubt, guys? Any doubts? Okay, so talent team, like we will be having 7 team. Okay, so what each team will be doing, like we will be explaining you on from like regular calls. Okay, so which will be happening from the September. Okay, so I don't want to take this here. So just note it on the names, guys. Okay, like the technology, from the technology to the public relation team. Okay, so each team has its own rules and regulations. Okay, so that who are the leads to that particular team, so they need to abide the rules and regulations of it. And like whatever the best they can able to deliver and get involved with the people, so they need to do it. Okay, so next thing is, yeah, so event flow. Okay, so in these all are the events which will be happening. Okay, through curious scripts and through student chapter. Okay, so technical events, like in technical events we will be having multiple online webinars. Okay, related to required fields, which helps a mentee or a student to get skilled on the particular stream. Okay, and also make themselves ready for the industry. Okay, during their placement time or during their examinations time, which will be happening for the placements. Okay, hackathons, like as you know, like we will be conducting the hackathons. Okay, so every 3 months, okay, in 2 phases. Okay, so the first phase will be college level, and the another phase will be a global level. Okay, so coding challenges, yeah, so coding challenges, we also plan to conduct coding challenges every week. Okay, every week, Saturday or Friday. Okay, so there, like we will be mentioning some real world projects. Okay, their real world projects, so the particular projects, depending on the depending on your technology stack, you can join to the coding challenges and get recognized by solving the problem. Okay, so similar to coding challenges, there is a technical challenges. Okay, so in these technical challenges, like we will be mentioning the complete technical stack which we will be using in our in-house products. Okay, so people who are able to solve these technical challenges, they will be having an opportunity to get onboarding for a curious ecosystem. Okay, as a full stack developer entrance. Okay, and successful completion of these things will be awarded with certificates. Okay, certificates, goodies, and swags. Okay, which is similar to GDSC. So this is clear what the event flow is happening here. So any questions? Fine. So yeah, so like you can see here. Okay, by joining student chapter, what are the benefits, like each and everyone will be getting. Okay, through the live events or through the technical challenges, to the I mean through the coding challenges. Okay, so CDSC, Curious Developer Student Club. Okay, so building a core team, in that it's a main objective. Okay, so core team, as we just see a few slides back, so like there are 9 teams. Okay, so each team have its as its own rules and regulations. Okay, so why we are conducting that particular rules and regulations, it will help you to it will help you to focus on the certain things. Okay, which is required for the industry. Okay, it might be a soft skills, or it might be a programming skills, or it might be a technical skills. Okay, so whatever you will be adopting there, that will help you to get skilled on those particular areas. Okay, and student chapter we just explained, events also we explained, and internships. Okay, so I think you might know, right, there are some internships like you guys need to do in order to get some credits from the university, right? So internship is not like what you might have known, right? Like there some organizations will come to KIT, they will ask you to pay some amount, and they will provide internships by doing online classes. No, it's not, that is not an internship. Okay, so here in our organizations, like you will be working on a live project. Okay, so like a way which will be delivered to the client. Okay, so whatever the contributions you are doing, so depending on the complexities, like you will be awarded with stipends too. Okay, on successful completion of internships, like it might be 3 months or it might be 6 months. Okay, so on successful completions, like you will be recognized with the certificates, also like an experience letter. Okay, and this experience letter, as our organization is registered with the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, okay, with the government of India, so it is valid for you globally. Okay, if you have any plans to do masters in like abroad, okay, like USA or Canada, so if you have worked, means like in your portfolio, if you have experience later that you have worked on real world projects, so it like your chances of getting scholarship is very high. Okay, so just give your best, guys. Okay, and join our organization by doing by giving the honest efforts, so it will directly and indirectly definitely help you to get recognized in the industry. Okay, so in the next steps, like we will be discussing about events. Okay, so first, as we said, first, like we will be focusing on the technical challenges posed during hackathons. Okay, so as these three important steps which will help you to gain more hands-on experience. Okay, so let's discuss more on this topic on from September 1st to September 15th. Okay, so whatever we discuss, is it clear? Any doubts? So you guys excited to participate? Any can you guys unmute? So now let's discuss about pricing. Okay, like we shared one document. Okay, in the document, like we have mentioned about pricing. So have you guys tried to open the document and see what is there in that? So anyone tried to open it? Why this much silent? Okay, fine. So like in pricing, okay, so people like we have differentiated here. Okay, so what everyone are getting, what winners are getting, okay, what selected teams will be getting, okay, what individuals are getting. Okay, So like domains, okay, so domains who are means like we will be distributing the domains, okay, to the winners. Okay, in the winners, like if it is an individual or if he or she is in a team, okay, so everyone who are there in the team, they will be getting the domains, okay, so for free of cost for 1 year. Okay, you can use that domain to host your portfolio, okay, or you can host your personal projects, you can connect the personal projects, okay, and you can showcase that to the entire world. Okay, so next one is deployment servers. Okay, so deployment servers, it is nothing but the hosting space. Okay, so we will be providing you the hosting space, okay, for the winners, or if he is an individual participant in the hackathon, so he or she is also, she will be also getting this particular prize. Okay, swags and goodies everyone will get. Okay, everyone will receive the like a participation certificate, okay, along with the cheat sheets and also attractive stickers. Okay, so which will help you to stick to your laptop or like wherever you need. Okay, so it will be technology related things. Okay, you can use that. Okay, so all throughout your programming journey. Okay, so like selective people like who won the hackathon. Okay, so for those people, like we will be distributing swags and along with the achievement certificate. Okay, so informative cheat sheets and files, it will be for everyone. Okay, so everyone who participate to the hackathon, they will be getting this prize. Okay, so like you can use the same cheats when you are doing deployment, when you are doing means like during your programming journey in the hackathon, you can use the same cheat sheets, and using that cheat sheets, like you can with that reference you can do your programming, and you can continue your development, okay, during the hackathon. So certifications, this is for as I said, one certification is common for everyone. Okay, so that is the participation certificate, and for the winners and selective teams, okay, so we will be also distributing the certification of achievements. Okay, so paid internships, like we will be seeing few people, okay, so who are showcasing their skills and who are actively presenting themselves during the hackathon, like we will be shortlisting them, okay, and we will join them to our team, okay, for the internship. Okay, so Hacktoberfest, like as we said, selective team only we will be taking up for the like a global event, okay, which will be happening in Mumbai or in Bangalore. Okay, so the complete sponsorship will be there from our organization. Okay, so yeah, platform for the growth, yeah, like as it is a open source community program. Okay, so how much you involve to the community, that much your ideas will be means exploring. Okay, so make sure like you are we our means like no, our intention is to bring you the best platform towards you, so that you can use that platform to showcase your skills and excel towards your growth. Okay, so just make yourself in that like program. Okay, join with the community, do the technical discussions, okay, and growth along with the community. Okay, so it will help you to improve your soft skills, along with improve your performance throughout your engineering journey. Okay, so as we said, like a resources, like it will be there. Okay, so the best open source resources will be there with you. Okay, for any kind of materials or for any kind of programming technology stacks which you are learning as a part of placements or as a part of means recognition journey, okay, or the hackathon journey, okay. So those resources will be there with you. You can utilize that and you can improve yourself. Okay, so leadership opportunity will be there for everyone. Okay, so as it is an open platform, okay, we always keep on seeing the talents. Okay, so the best talents, as we said, there will be some the best opportunities. Okay, so just make yourself to show your talent. Okay, instead of keeping it as hidden. Okay, so we don't know like what talent you have. Okay, so throughout this journey, like just make yourself that you are showing enough your talent. Okay, so and get placed in our organization and also get the benefits from us. Okay, so any questions? No questions. So I think that's it for today. So are you ready to participate in this program and are you ready to excel yourself too? So fine then, if you have any doubts or any concerns, okay, so feel free to reach out to us. Okay, so just give it a try. Competition is high. Okay, so we have conducted this hackathon and this events in Ambedkar Institute of Technology. We got very good response, and also like our team is conducting hackathon in with the collaboration of a college in Mumbai. Okay, so yesterday like we were discussing with Kiran sir also, the number of participation should be more. Okay, so they are asking us to form a 60 teams. Okay, in the in the 60 teams, selective two team we will be selecting from our organization, and we will be having that we were having an opportunity to send you to Mumbai, okay, for global hackathon which will be happening in September, okay, September end. We did not means like 60 teams means like it is little huge. Okay, so anyway Hacktoberfest will be there. Okay, so instead of that global level hackathon, you can definitely participate on Hacktoberfest. Okay, so there are many open source programs will be happening. Okay, so make sure you are involving yourself in this com- complete technical journey. Okay, and make yourself better than before. Okay, so that's it for today. So from September 1st, like our team will be scheduling a call, okay, every day at 8 p.m. Okay, so just join to that call with your laptop, okay, and we will be guiding you the lots of things, okay. So just follow that and do practice well, okay, and please be interactive. So if you are interactive here, it will be easy for you to interact in during your placements. Okay, if you not interact not interactive, it will be very difficult for you to interact in the placements. Okay, placement time all in front of HRs or in front of team leads. Okay, so any questions? No questions? So fine then, we will drop off. Okay, so we will connect from September 1st. Okay, at 8 p.m. Clear? Fine, guys. Okay, so thank you. Take care. Thank you for joining the call.